Egypt has once again stepped forward as a key player for peace in the Middle East. In the city of Sharm el-Sheikh, a major international summit is set for begin, where more than 20 leaders, including Donald Trump, will come together and finalize a possible Gaza War Agreement. Egyptian President Abdul Fattah al-Sisi is hosting the summit, and he stated the peace in Middle East can only be achieved when all sides understand each other concerns. According to the reports, leaders from Israel, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Jordan will take part in this discussion. Trump's office confirmed that it is ready to sign that he called historic peace plan, though the Palestinian leadership has raised object to certain causes of proposal. Analysts believe that if this deal is a signature, it could open a new chapter for the Gaza, one focused on ceasefire, humanitarian aid, and regional stability. For now, the eyes of entire world on Sharm el-Sheikh, where perhaps a new dawn of peace may begin.